Ooh, smells like new saber. What do we got? No, no fucking way. Nope, fuck this. No, but seriously, folks, what we've got here is the new Luke V3 Return of the Jedi from Damien Sabers. You got this amazing hilt. We've got a hardware kit. We've got a blade plug. The thing comes with a stand, comes with a cool Allen wrench, and of course the piece de la resistance, the Neopixel blade. Let's go ahead and give you guys a little bit of ASMR here, okay? Here we go, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Here. These are weak. I'm not happy with this. This is not a good pull. This is not a good pull. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this thing charged up. All right, guys, so I got her charged up. I'll show you guys something, and maybe this will prevent some headaches for Damien Sabers customer service, okay? When I got it out of the packaging and I plugged it in to charge it, it was instantly powered on, lit up, ready to go. And I'm like, oh, that's weird. And I went to push the button to power it off, and the button wouldn't move. So the battery was completely drained in this thing. And it was because the power was instantly on when I got it out of the package. So I want to show you guys so you don't have to call Damien Sabers and, make a complaint or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to hold your power area here on the control box. You're going to slide it down. There's a silver piece right there. Keep your finger over the silver piece. Slide that down just enough to get past the silver piece. Then you're going to drop that in your hand, guys. And there's a little adjuster screw in here. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll try and get a close-up picture of it. If that adjuster screw is out too far, it'll keep the power button applied. Then when you go ahead and put that back in, you adjust it so that you can hear an audible click. Okay? So this will hopefully prevent Damien Sabers from having some problems. I can't wait to show you the rest of my review on this saber. All right, so one of the other cool things about that saber is it comes with a different button that you can slide out and replace. And what you're going to want to make sure you do, if you do decide to replace this, when you slide this off, there is a spring under here that when you slide this too far, that spring is going to shoot out of here. Make sure whenever you move that power button, you have something covering it so you don't lose the button mechanism or the spring, guys. All right. And if you're not following me already and you like lightsaber content, if you're looking for, Star Wars shit, how to crack the algorithm here. Ooh, yeah, motion control. Or if you're just kind of a nerd like I am, do me a favor. Follow me. Share this out. And may the force be with you.